Dalam setahun?
Hello, good evening everyone.
Good.
Halo, evening juga sis. Nah,
Halo, Sis Ana.
Right. How are you today, guys? How was your day? Well, good.
Good.
Pretty good, sis. What about you, sis?
Yes, it's a great day, guys. Thank you so much for asking. All right, welcome back again to the class. Oh, okay. Sis Nazla, Bro Fadli, Sis Salma, Sis Annie, and Sis Ina. I think it's been a while. I haven't seen you, Sis Annie. Kayaknya udah lama banget deh, Sis Ana nggak lihat Sis Annie ya.
iya sis habis nggak enak badan seminggu.
I see. What
Terus
happened?
pasiennya rewel gitu. Jadi
Hmm, I see, I see. Okay. So ini ya sis ya, bed rest, beristirahat.
iya betul. Di sini lagi apa? eh Cuacanya panas banget gitu. Jadi tuh ke badan tuh nggak enak, bikin nggak enak gitu. Jadi ke dokter suntik sampai 2 kali.
Oh my God.
Kayak panas, badannya panas gitu tiap hari itu.
I
Jadi
see.
nggak kuat buat kerja.
Okay. Oh, so you don't go to work as well. Jadi nggak tugas.
Iya biasa kayak biasa kerja, jadi tapi nggak terlalu diforsir gitu.
Mm,
Mm.
okay, okay.
Banyak geletak, banyak bed rest.
But now it's getting better ya, sis Annie sudah
Yes.
sekarang ya.
Getting
Okay.
better.
All right, it's nice to hear that. So, guys, welcome back again to the class. For today, we will have a topic to talk about. The title is Can You Tell About? So, it's basically how do you describing or telling about a story or anything. Jadi, basically hari ini teman-teman akan belajar untuk menceritakan atau mendeskripsikan tentang sesuatu atau menceritakan tentang sesuatu. Jadi kita akan belajar expressionnya untuk hari ini. And for today question, also I require you to explain about something. Karena juga hari ini untuk pertanyaan-pertanyaannya lebih ke describing tentang sesuatu gitu. Minta teman-teman untuk mendeskripsikan tentang sesuatu. And this is the expression that we can use. Ini adalah expression-expression yang bisa kita pakai. I want to ask Sis Nazla. Sis Nazla, can you please read Sis Nazla the expression and the response?
Yes, sis. Let me tell you about. I will tell you about. I can say that my is. Wow, that's amazing. Cool. Incredible. How to say this?
Incredible.
Incredible. Incredible. No wonder.
Okay, thank you, Sis Nazla.
Welcome, sis.
Yeah. Sis Ina, please. Can you read?
Okay, how to answer? Let me tell you about. I will tell you about. I can say that my blah 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 is blah blah blah. How to respond? Wow, that's amazing. Cool, incredible, no wonder.
Okay, thank you, Sis Ina.
Welcome, Miss.
Ya, ini adalah expression yang akan teman-teman pakai hari ini ya. Misal nanti tuh ada pertanyaan tentang gini, misal, ini, can you describe about your house misalkan? Bisakah kamu mendeskripsikan tentang rumahmu? Nah, teman-teman bisa nih menjawabnya pakai expression yang ini. Let me tell you about my house misalkan. Izinkan saya untuk menceritakan tentang rumahku. And then the second ada I will tell you about. Aku ingin atau aku akan menceritakan ke kamu tentang my house. Gitu. I can say that, aku bisa bilang bahwa misal, I can say that my house is located near the rice field. Rumahku bertempat atau berlokasi dekat sama sawah, misalkan gitu. Teman-teman bisa mendeskripsikan seperti itu. And then bisa juga pakai my bla 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 is bla bla bla. Ini juga sama. Misal, my house is apa ya kalau rumah tuh? My house is white gitu. Misal rumahku warnanya putih dan lain sebagainya kayak gitu. And how to respond? Nanti kan teman-teman ada session di breakout room tuh ya. Nah, biasanya kalau mendengarkan orang cerita daripada kita mengangguk-ngangguk aja, teman-teman bisa respon-respon pakai respon sederhana seperti ini. Wow, that's amazing. Oh, itu keren gitu atau cool, keren. Incredible. Incredible tuh kayak keren banget, nggak bisa dipercaya gitu, saking kerennya. No wonder, no wonder, oh nggak heran sih, kayak gitu. Nah ini teman-teman bisa pakai expression yang ini, dan untuk meresponnya, kalau dengerin orang bercerita, selain mengangguk, kita juga bisa merespon pakai expression-expression yang di sebelah kanan. Gitu. Don't forget dan jangan lupa untuk can, will, sama let itu selalu diikuti sama verb 1 karena mereka semua ini adalah modal verb. Gitu ya. Oke, kita langsung aja ya teman-teman untuk practice. Ini, jadi di sini nanti teman-teman Sis Ana minta describe as detail as you can. Deskripsikan sedetail mungkin yang teman-teman bisa. Kalau misal bingung mau mendeskripsikan apanya, you may use the 5W plus 1H method. Teman-teman bisa pakai metode 5W1H. Jadi sambil menjelaskan, menjelaskan tentang apanya, kapannya, di mananya, kenapanya, siapanya, dan bagaimananya. Gitu. Ini bisa membantu teman-teman kalau misal bingung mau mendeskripsikannya tuh apanya gitu. Oke. Nah, ini expressionnya Sis Ana taruh sini, teman-teman bisa pilih satu aja yang paling teman-teman suka. Gitu. Oke. Coba untuk question, the first question. Can you tell about yourself? Sis Salma.
Okay, the first
Salma,
question.
can you tell about yourself?
Okay. Let me tell you about myself. I'm a girl, 27 years old. I'm a Muslim. I'm wearing hijab. I'm work at Perum Perhutani since 2023. I work as a production staff, especially wood production. My office is in South Jakarta. And sometimes I go to East Java to looking to the forest and look for the teak wood or mahogany wood. That's it maybe.
Okay.
Oh, I live in South Tangerang City.
Mm-mm.
My parents live in there.
Oh, I see. All right.
Mm,
You're originally from South Tangerang.
yeah.
Oke, alright, si Salma itu sudah lumayan detail ya sis ya. What
Hmm.
did you do in East Java si Salma?
Oh, my perhutani is jadi tuh dia apa ya? Gimana jelasinnya ya? Di- Forest in Java is dikelola tuh apa ya? Dikelola oleh perhutani itu.
Manage ya.
Ya, manage.
Hmm.
Perhutani manage the forest in Java. So I go to East Java or West Java, entire Java, to look for the wood that have been harvested.
Oh,
The
oke.
quality, the quantity.
Mm-mm.
Mhm.
Okay, so you check the quality of
Yeah.
food there. Oh, okay. That's interesting. Alright. Si Salma kalau misal mau menjelaskan aku bekerja di cukup gini
Mhm.
aja si Salma. I work at, jadi
Yeah,
nggak
I
perlu
work at.
pakai M lagi.
Oh yeah.
Iya, I work at. Ya.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much, si Salma.
Thank you, sis.
You're welcome. Alright, question number 2. About childhood ya. Sis Annie.
Thank you, Susana.
Mhm.
The question number 2, can you tell about your childhood? I will tell you about my bacanya childhood apa childhood, Susana?
Childhood.
Childhood.
Yeah.
I live in a village.
Mhm.
Called Sri Mulyo.
Mhm.
Kayak jauh, far from the capital city, like very far. And I live with my mom and my dad, and with six saudara tuh kayak saudara bahasa Inggrisnya apa sih?
Saudara kandung? Siblings.
Sibling.
With 6 siblings, five brother and 1 sister. And I'm the 5th children from my parents. Like, and aku sekolah tuh elementary school in that village, and until junior high school. And when I go to senior high school, I was moved from my village to the capital city in West Java. Nah,
All right,
Maybe
that's
that's no. Sorry,
all.
Sis Anna.
Yeah.
Thank you, Sis Anna. Yeah.
Yeah, you're welcome,
Mm.
Sis Annie. All right, that's quite complete explanation about Sis Annie childhood ya. Sis Annie, don't forget kalau misal siblingnya ada banyak tadi berapa sih
Siblings
Kak?
gitu ya.
Iya, jangan lupa ada S-nya
Siblings.
di belakangnya. Seven siblings gitu, 7 saudara kandung.
Mm.
Gitu. Atau misal eight family member. Nah, ini juga jangan lupa dikasih S, eight family members atau nine family members gitu ya. Jangan lupa ada S-nya kalau lebih dari satu. Thank you, Sis Annie.
Thank you, Sis Anna.
Oke, lanjut number 3. For Bro Fadli. Can you tell about your education, Bro Fadli? Ada, Bro Fadli? Kalau lagi ada trouble sinyalnya, Bro. Oke, kayaknya Bro Fadli lagi ada trouble mungkin ya sinyalnya. Kita mau ke sis Ina deh kalau gitu. Sis Ina, can you tell about your education? Atau sis Ana ya yang ada problem ya. Ini suara sis Ana kedengeran kan teman-teman?
Kedengeran kok, Sis?
Atau nge-lag ya?
Enggak, kedengeran kok.
Kedengeran.
Kedengaran sih.
Oke, aman ya. Oke, berarti emang Bro Fadli dan sis Inanya yang sedang tidak available. Alright, kalau gitu sis Nazla deh. Sis Nazla.
Yes, sis.
Yeah, can you tell about your education, sis Nazla?
Education tuh maksudnya gimana ya, sis?
Education itu pendidikannya sis Nazla. Mungkin kayak pernah sekolah di mana, atau pernah ikut course apa. Gitu.
Course.
Iya.
Sekolah. Eh, ini dibilang tempatnya atau kayak gimana sih?
Boleh, tempatnya boleh.
Oh,
Apa yang sis Nazla pelajari di sekolah itu juga boleh.
oh, iya sis. Okay, I'm a student in high school in the last grade in Medan, in South Sumatra. The school name is SMA Swasta Teladan Medan. And jurusan tuh apa ya sis? Kayak IPA IPS gitu.
Major?
Major. My major at school is IPS, and I learn a lot about like sociology, apa sih namanya sis?
Sociology?
Sociology, ekonomi. Kalau mata pelajaran pilihan tuh gimana ya sis bilangnya?
Ini kali ya. Kenal.
Oh, optional
Iya, atau
subject. And kurikulum tetap kurikulum sis.
Iya, curriculum.
In my curriculum, have optional subject and have sociology, economy, informatic, and bahasa English language tingkat lanjut apa sis?
English language, mungkin ini advanced English language.
Advanced English language and advanced English language. So, in my subject, a lot learn about social, and I prefer and I really like a subject. It's sociology because I really like learn about humanity and about social. And I've ever joined course offline, English course offline when I was in the middle school, sis. So maybe because for now I'm still a student, so my experience not I don't have many experience in my life, so maybe because I'm still a student, but I really want to try every education, maybe for continue my study in the college next in the next education in the college. So ya gitu sih.
So, what major do you want to take in college, Sis Nazla?
Psychology, sis.
Psychology.
Psychology.
Yeah. Okay, because you are interested in learning about human.
Yeah. Yes, sis.
Wow, that's great. Okay, thank you, Sis Nazla.
Welcome, sis.
Okay, next, lanjut. Ya, Bro Fadli tadi ada trouble kah, Bro Fadli?
Saya bisa, Ma'am. Tadi, sorry.
Oh, iya. Oke, Bro Fadli, can you tell me
Ya,
about
sis. Ah, ah, oke, sis. Sis, my work as a lecturer at Tanah Laut uh, State Polytechnic in the in the Prodi Accounting and Taxation uh, Taxation study program, sis. In this semester, I receive six mata pelajaran apa sih, sis?
subject?
Eh, Hah?
Subject.
Subjects. Six subject in this semester. Mata in subject is mm, accounting introduction and biaya apa ya? Biaya biaya apa sih? Saya lupa sudah di
Biaya apa
lidah.
nih, Bro Fadli?
Pos.
Expense. Ya,
Expense. Biaya
ya,
apa?
sis.
Budgeting kah?
Akuntansi biaya.
Oh, oke. Ya, mungkin ya cost accounting bisa.
Ya, fast accounting and sektor publik accounting and laporan financial statement analysis. Uh, Financial statement analysis. I taking I in 6 classroom, sis, in prodi in accounting and taxation uh, study program.
Mhm.
Ya, selama 1 semester ini sis mengemban itu, and ya itu saja sis
Okay,
mungkin.
okay. So, what semester do you teach, Bro Fadli?
In semester in first course ya, semester
Hmm,
1 apa sih sis?
First level atau first semester boleh.
First level and uh, first two semester 2 sis?
Second?
Semester 3,
Okay.
3,
Third.
uh, third.
Mhm.
Third level and 5 level sis, 5 level.
Yes. Okay, so various level ya, Bro ya.
Yes. In course ada teori dan praktik sis.
I see. Okay, okay. All right. Thank you so much, Bro Fadli. Agak ngelag ya.
Ya,
Ya, so Bro
work.
Fadli, sebenarnya kalau untuk di anak-anak mahasiswa first year, second year itu tuh ada istilah-istilahnya sendiri. Kalau yang pertama itu dia biasanya disebutnya sebagai junior. Ini kalau tahun pertama.
Junior.
Mm-mm.
Oh, tahun pertama
Ya,
junior.
sophomore. Ini kalau misal untuk anak-anak tahun kedua.
Oh,
Oke,
sophomore,
ketiga itu, wait, ada freshman. Ini.
freshman.
Freshman ini tahun pertama, nanti coba dicek lagi ya, di sana agak-agak lupa. Nah, sophomore tahun kedua, junior itu dia tahun ketiga, final year, ini tahun keempat. Ini urutannya. Jadi sebutan untuk mahasiswa tahun 1, tahun 2, tahun 3, tahun 4. Kita ada masing-masing
Sophomore,
penamaannya.
junior, final years. Oh,
Iya, gitu.
ya ya sis, thank you sis.
Oke, you're welcome. Ini Bro Fadli text session ya, Bro ya? Ada sessionnya, jadi bukan taxation tapi text session. Perpajakan ya?
Taxation, ya,
Ya,
taxation, oke.
text session.
Taxation, accounting and taxation sis.
Ya, accounting and taxation. And for this one itu dibacanya, kalau di bahasa Indonesia kita bilang analisis, kalau di bahasa Inggris dibacanya analysis.
Analysis, ya sis.
Financial statement analysis tadi ya, analisis laporan keuangan.
Financial statement analysis, analysis.
Oke,
Oke sis,
ya,
thank you
thank you.
sis.
You're welcome.
Welcome.
Alright, lanjut. Number 5, Sis Ina, apakah available?
Okay, sis.
Okay, Sis Ina, can you tell me about a teacher you had?
Yes, I can. When I was elementary school,
Mhm,
I had a favorite teacher.
mhm,
She was so kind, patient, and caring.
mhm.
And my classmates very love her. But tidak lama kemudian dia menikah tuh apa itu?
Okay, not in a long time or not long time.
Not a long time. She got married and follow her husband, and she moved to, dia pindah mengajar keluar kota.
I
And
see.
and I cried loudly because it was so sad. Maybe one class cried together.
Hmm,
Karena ibu-ibu gurunya baik sekali. Jadi
Hmm.
satu kelas itu nangis bersama.
Cry together. Oh my God. Okay. She must be very kind teacher. Do you still remember her name, Christina?
Eh, Ibu Maya.
Ibu Maya.
Her name is Maya.
Name is Ibu Maya. I see. And until now, she is very memorable to you.
Yes, of course. Yeah, kind. She was kind.
She was
She was kind and patient and
kind,
caring, especially for me.
especially for you. And until now, even you already grow up adulting, but you still remember about Ibu Maya.
But lost contact.
Lost contact. So she
Yes.
is your homeroom teacher.
Apa?
Homeroom teacher?
Homeroom teacher itu apa?
Homeroom teacher itu dia wali kelas.
Bukan.
Hmm.
Bukan guru bahasa Indonesia.
Oh, oke. Alright. Tapi sampai crying sebegitunya ya, Sis
Ya,
Ina.
kadang itu baik. Tidak pernah marah.
Yeah, oh my God. Alright. And she must be very kind-hearted person.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Sis Ina.
Mm.
The next, Sis Fanny. Question number 6, Sis Fanny. Ada, Sis
Yeah.
Fanny? Okay, Sis Fanny, can you tell me about a boss you had?
Okay. Currently, I just moved to a new position, a new section, I mean. So I have a new boss, which is a girl, a woman, I mean. And then formally, she is in the same position with me. Back in maybe in 2016, we are in the same position, and then she get a promotion, and now she's become my boss. And then we are in the same year, I mean, same age, I mean. And then just because she's formally are my mate, so we are closer now. And then I can say anything to her. She's very open-minded, and then she very care to us, to her how to say subordinate.
Yeah, subordinate.
Subordinate. Okay.
Subordinate.
And what else? I think that's it.
Oh, okay. Do you find any difficulty since she was your workmate, co-workers, right? And now she become your boss, your leader. Do you find any difficulties about that?
I don't think so, because there's no how to say gap. How to say gap? Is it correct? Gap.
Gap.
There's no gap between us, but sometimes the things that I feel when I how to say discuss with her sometimes, because I'm kind of humorous person, because when we are having a serious discussion, sometimes I'm making a joke, and yeah. How to say?
Okay.
Ya
Alright.
gitu pokoknya.
So you guys make the situation more casual, yeah? This is funny.
Yeah.
I see. Okay, it's nice to hear that. Thank you so much, Sis Fanny.
Thank you, sis.
Okay, tidak semua ya. Alright, after this pro and sis, I will divide you into breakout room. So probably it's 2 breakout room for today ya, 2 breakout room untuk hari ini. And I will send you a list of question in our WhatsApp group as usual. Let's go, you may go there. Okay. Welcome back again to the main room, guys. Have you finished the
Welcome
conversation?
back,
Sudah selesai
sister.
ngobrolnya atau belum?
Seru
Belum.
sih, sis. Hah?
Okay, actually not ya, mungkin belum selesai, but unfortunately the time is up, guys. Sayang sekali waktunya sudah habis ya. Right. Yeah, so thank you so much everyone for coming
Thank you,
today.
sis.
Don't forget to join again tomorrow. See you.
See
Bye-bye.
you,
See you,
bye.
sis.
Thank you.